Tomorrow is Super Bowl Sunday, and my husband requested ribs. So the day before the Super Bowl, today is Saturday, I've prepared my dry rub. Let me tell you what's in the dry rub. Paprika, brown sugar. I have this amazing smoked applewood sea salt from San Diego, California. Salt, pepper, cayenne, onion powder, right? So it's the day before the Super Bowl, so we want to rub these ribs. These are St. Louis style pork spare ribs, but you could use baby backs. We are gonna rub these ribs. You notice I have them sitting first on foil, and then on top of the foil is plastic wrap. So that's going to let the ribs sweat in the fridge overnight. We want to be sure we get the front and the back. Have you ever rubbed ribs before? It's really a great concept. You don't even need barbecue sauce. So the beauty of the rub is that it's going to sit overnight. And again, we have plastic wrap to help them sweat overnight in the fridge. Tuck them in nice and like that. Now, these are going to go into the refrigerator for, again, overnight and the rest of today. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to set the oven at 250 degrees. When that's ready, I'm going to pull off the plastic wrap. Don't forget to pull it off. Re-wrap the ribs in foil. In the oven they go for 6 hours. They're amazing. If you want my rib rub dry recipe, just message me. I'll get that right to you. Go Chiefs.